Sup, back in the big guys. I'm Real Fan Landon. Here's Hamilton Northwestern right now. Departing Hamilton. He is right now. Here he is. Has full lights on. Hopefully that means he's departing. Here he is right now. There he is. Crossing the Rapid River Trestle. For the Hamilton Trestle. Bridge right there. Here we go. Here he is. There he is right now, there he is. There he goes. Three tanker cars loaded with animal fat. There's the front and there's the end right there. There it goes. Okay guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. I'm Real Fan Landon. Real Fan Landon out.